Extremely beautiful concrete block home on saltwater canal. This 1,771 square feet under roof, 2 bed/1.5 baths/1 car garage home is sure to please. Bring your kayak, canoe to your dock. Move-in ready. Tiled, screened front porch ready for your rocking chairs. Screen patio off French doors and separate laundry area are just a few of many upgrades that make this a great house. No HWY, no CDD to contend with, new exterior paint, new roof, replaced July 2021, new air conditioner, around 7 years old, extra large driveway to park your cars, motorhome, boat and RV. Large 67'X132 lot with fenced backyard, spacious 12'X24, 288 square feet, connected garage with electric garage door opener. 2 spacious bedrooms, large 19'X24, 456 square feet, combo living room, kitchen area. Laundry room 6x12 walking distance, 2 minutes, to the fish house, 2 miles from Little Harbor, 2.5 miles to Winn-Dixie, canals in the backyard with access to Tampa Bay. This beautiful home is conveniently located near US Highway 41, I-75, Tampa, Bradenton, beaches, and many more attractions that the Tampa Bay area has to offer. Schedule your showing today.